the shape, they're like natural. That's good.
Oh, trying to burp.
Burping time.
It's burping time.
Burping time.
He burps like once and he's good.
He loves. Oh yeah. He did a big one, so now we're gonna go back to drink some more. Drink some more.
Well, it has an air hole on the side of the nipple.
Yeah, that.
Oh yeah.
He don't get much air.
Oh yeah.
He don't have to burp much.
He loves
Well, naturally,
eating.
like breastfeed.
He's got hiccups too.
That's
They
funny. They
have to
still
suck
have to
really
burp
hard.
when they are nursed.
This is what a baby looks like sucking. This would be a
He's a
good.
cutie.
This would be a good video.
He's got hiccups and he's trying to eat all at the same time and fall asleep.
I know, I have that in my bedroom.
Look, Daddy's on the computer.
Look.
Oh yeah.
Judge, though.
What?
Isn't he the
You do it
cutest?
by time.
He's the cutest, isn't it?
It's annoying because like he.
It's so cute. Look at that. He's sucking it down too.
Here's what the back of his head looks like.
You have to remember what we're going to do last time first. Well, she'd have to stay.
Feeding my baby. Love him. It's fun. He's 5 days old. 5 days.
And then some feedings, if they didn't get it,
Not even a week.
Tell Nell Snow cut last night.
And Mimi watched him all night so Daddy and Mommy could sleep together. Finally, after since Saturday. A week. 1 week. And it was, but we missed you.